So basically, I think Ralsei is the vessel or the darker version of the vessel. If some of the points I thought fit this theory, number one, Ralsei names Castletown after us. Well, I'm not sure if it's Ralsei exactly. There's actually no other person it could be because in chapter 1 or 2, it already tells you the name of Castletown and says someone told them. And if it wasn't Ralsei, who else could it be? And if it was Ralsei, the only way Ralsei would know that name was if he heard it from somewhere or was there when we told our names to maybe Gaster during the survey program. And who heard our name? The vessel. Did you know that in chapter 1, if Chris stands next to Ralsei, he blushes? Actually, Ralsei also blushes when the soul overlays with Ralsei's sprite. Does he blush because the soul was originally meant to be his? Well, considering if Ralsei is the darker version of the vessel, did you know that the vessel you created isn't completely discarded? It's actually still logged in the game folders of each chapter, which is why I think Ralsei can appear in different dark worlds, since the vessel is still connected to us in some way. When we go to any dark world, Ralsei can appear with us too. One other point I thought to mention, the soul on Ralsei's clothes. That's very suspicious. The fact that Ralsei knows alone a lot. I actually don't know how to fit this into the theory, but it's pretty suspicious too. Does Ralsei actually know what discarded him? When created, you ask the question, how do you feel about your creation? And it specifically says it's not here. Why is it here? It has to be everything. Toby, I know what you're doing. I'm not crazy. Does Ralsei think we, the player, discarded him and on purpose? Maybe that's why he objectifies himself. So yeah, that was my Ralsei the best theory. I know there are a lot of loose ends, but technically this is less of a theory video and more of me just sharing my opinion. I genuinely think Ralsei is the vessel we create at the beginning of the game. Why does it look so different? I don't know. Hopefully you guys will subscribe and like the video, and to be honest, I don't know whether I'll be making another theory video, but we'll see when chapter 5 releases. I'm available, and yeah, bye.